Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Eric Descargues, co-founder of DocDoku. DocDoku is an IT organization focused on digital enterprise applications based in France, in Toulouse. We mainly work with large and medium-sized companies. We are specialized in mobile, cloud, and web architecture. And so we are committed to the open source and make DocDokuPLM through OW2. Today, I will present you how we use the leverage of next-gen web technologies for bringing innovation to our customers. Of course, my presentation will approach both technical aspects and business cases. After a long time of sleepiness, standard web technologies through available on the browser and their supporting protocols, seems to evolve now constantly. In 2009, a revolutionary collection of tools and standards is born, HTML5. HTML5 is a cornerstone of the OW2con'13 open web platform, a framework designed to support innovation and foster the full potential the web has to offer. The term HTML5 represents, in fact, two different concepts. The first, the new version of the language HTML with new elements, attributes, and behaviors. The second, sometimes called HTML5 and friends, is a larger set of technologies that allows more diverse and powerful website and application. I mean CSS3, JavaScript, WebGL, WebRTC, etc. This set is often shortened to just called HTML5. HTML5 really permits the meeting between imagination and implementation. Thanks to its new innovative features spread over 8 main topics like 2D, 3D graphics and effects, that's allowing a much more diverse range of presentation options, device access, allowing the usage of various input and output devices, semantics, allowing description more precisely what your content is, multimedia, making video and audio first-class citizen in the open web, connectivity, allowing communication with the server in new and innovative ways, performance and integration, providing greater speed optimization and better usage of computer hardware. Offline and storage, too, allowing web pages to share data on the client side locally and operate offline more efficiently, and styling, letting authors write more sophisticated themes. So just imagine the progress made. We can now play video and audio tracks, display 3D scenes, draw on canvas, execute code outside the URI thread, persist data and write file locally, and even control the webcam. And all of that in your web browser without plugin or extension. On the server side, also the pace of evolution is high. We have jumped into the world of big data, massively parallel processing, and real-time web. So the question is what to do with all that stuff. What kind of next-gen technologies, business applications can we create with those next-gen web technologies? So these technologies are really game changers. Yes, because the main existing technological barriers are now removed with HTML5. Making and using web application for live monitoring, real-time application, 3D design is now within our reach. Moreover, and for me, the purpose of the web is to aggregate different contents to produce one or several others. So why business applications could they not benefit from the trends of the web, like mashup and openness? I propose to have a look on our project. DocDokuPLM is an innovative PLM platform. Of course, it's also an open source mature project under OW2 umbrella since 2011. Just as a reminder, for those who don't know what is PLM is, the PLM aims to managing all information around the product. For product, I mean manufactured product, and so increase efficiency and reduce time to market. But if you want, you can remember this simple metaphor about us. DocDokuPLM aims to be the GitHub for manufactured products. So we are very proud because we won last year the OW Open World Forum Demo Cup Innovation Award. Before to do the live demo, I suggest you to discover the business use case using HTML5 through a customer context. Airbus. Airbus, the world's leading aircraft manufacturer, needed to display and manipulate the digital mock-up, the 3D models of their aircraft on a regular web browser without any plugin, and also to be able to mix data on top of the 3D models a la Google Maps. They needed a response to this question. In fact, how can we easily access PLM and digital mockup data if we are not an engineering designer? So the solution we made, leveraging our DocDokuPLM platform, we customize and deploy a disruptive solution that relies solely on standard web technologies. Through a sophisticated chain of treatment deployable on an enterprise-grade computing, the 3D CATIA models and the associated metadata are imported in order to be then delivered on a simple web browser without any plugin. That's the innovation. Go to login. I'm going to the product module. Okay, I'm going to have a look on the aircraft A400M. Okay, I'm going first to present you this left display. This is the product breakdown structure. It is the hierarchical decomposition of the product. It contains parts and assemblies of parts. It's okay, the display is going. For this demo, we focus on 4 new DocDokuPLM features. The first feature I want to show you is simply take a screenshot, a photo. Simple, but so useful. Imagine reporting, statement of work, etc. The second, the measurement. I'm going to switch on the feature. The objective is to measure the distance between 2 points, of course. And this distance is displayed here on the right of the switch button. The third feature I want to show you is the part selection. I'm going to select a part directly on the 3D model. Here, the information, the metadata of the part are displayed here. And you can have a look particularly on this part here. Okay. And here, if you want, you can retrieve the way in the product breakdown structure by the highlighted items. This is what we call the bounding box. And to finish, I'm going to show you explode feature. Here we have the opportunity to explode the current display, but it's not really efficient here with this case. But the idea, the objective is to all parts of the center of the screen are visually moved away on a vector between the origin and the center of gravity, the centroid. Technically, on the client side, we have Mix, WebGL, 3GS, Canvas, and it works simply on a standard browser. So the digital mockup can be shared and deployed in the enterprise without any deployment, without any plugin or extension. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks very much.